I want to begin by defining some similar but distinct concepts. The purpose of training evaluation is to assess the benefits or effectiveness of a training program. How well, if at all, did the program do what it sought to do? These benefits may be experienced at the individual level, like learning a new skill, and at the organizational level, like improving the quality of a product or service. Training evaluation specifically is the process of determining whether a program is effective. We need data to make this determination, and there are a variety of designs and methods we can use to do this. Training outcomes or criteria are the specific goals and standards for a program. What targets are we aiming to meet? Evaluation design then refers to the way in which we collect the information that will inform the evaluation process and determine whether the outcomes were fulfilled. There are two basic types of evaluation that you will likely be exposed to on the job: formative and summative. Formative evaluation occurs before the learning event, during the design process. It can be done through the use of pilot testing, the process of previewing a training program with stakeholders like potential trainees, trainers, and managers. Participants in the mock training can provide feedback that can then be used to improve the design and delivery of the program. So, formative evaluation usually produces qualitative data that can then be transformed into quantitative data if necessary. Summative evaluation, on the other hand, occurs during training and after training. The goal is to determine if trainees changed in expected ways and whether the training had any impact on the company's goals. Did trainees learn a new skill? Did this new skill save the company any money? Summative evaluation usually produces numbers, quantitative data. Formative evaluation is used to form a training program, while summative evaluation is used to summarize its effects on trainees and the company.